Welcome to Kyrgyzstan, the heart of Central Asia, a country that combines ancient traditions with modern opportunities, opening doors for innovative projects, international cooperation, and sustainable development. Located at the crossroads of transport routes, the country plays a strategic role in the development of logistics and trade in the Central Asian region. Bordering China, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan, it is a major logistics hub and an indispensable link in the trade chains between Europe and Asia. With more than 700 rivers and lakes, the country has a huge hydropower potential of 142 billion kilowatt-hours per year, of which only 13% is being used. There are also significant reserves of gold, rare earth metals, and other minerals in the country. Kyrgyzstan's economy is developing dynamically in sectors such as energy, mining, agriculture, tourism, and transport. New hydro, solar, and wind power plants are under construction across the country, making a significant contribution to solving the climate change problem. Agriculture is an important part of the economic structure as the country has favorable natural conditions for the agricultural sector, including fertile land, clean water, and a warm climate. The main areas include the cultivation of cereals, fruits, vegetables, livestock, and dairy products. Tourism plays an equally important role in the economy. Kyrgyzstan is famous for its spectacular mountain landscapes, such as the Tian Shan and Pamir Mountains, which are attracting tourists for mountaineering and trekking. And our Pearl Lake Issyk Kul, one of the largest lakes in Central Asia, offers opportunities for beach vacations, water sports, and medical tourism. About 3 million tourists visit our country on average during the year. The country is also actively developing transport and logistics infrastructure, including the development of airports, roads, and railways to strengthen connectivity with neighboring countries and improve logistics capabilities. In recent years, the Kyrgyz Republic has undertaken significant reforms aimed at improving the business environment and protecting rights of investors. Important measures such as the reduction of tax barriers and the simplification of business registration procedures have made Kyrgyzstan even more attractive to investors. Following the adoption of the new version of the law of the Kyrgyz Republic on public-private partnership in 2021, project implementation procedures were significantly simplified and more than $1 billion worth of investments were accelerated in strategically important sectors of the state's economy. For 2024, the PPP Center's portfolio consists of 80 projects, of which 50 projects have already signed agreements. These projects not only improve infrastructure, but also create numerous jobs and stimulate the economy. The implementation of more projects in such priority areas as transportation, energy, healthcare, and education is planned for the near future. It is planned to continue the development of transport infrastructure by implementing large-scale projects to increase the country's transit potential and further logistical growth. The energy sector includes investments in the modernization of hydroelectric power plants and the construction of new solar and wind power plants. Projects in healthcare are planned to modernize hospitals and medical centers in the country's largest cities. The education sector includes construction and renovation of schools and kindergartens. Kyrgyzstan offers foreign investors unique opportunities to implement public-private partnership projects in various sectors. The advantages include tax benefits, absence of currency control, and full protection of investors' rights. Each PPP project goes through a carefully designed monitoring and control system, which guarantees its successful implementation. The Public-Private Partnership Center provides comprehensive support to investors at every stage of project implementation, from concept development to all administrative procedures. We provide complete consulting services and project support, including assistance with governmental approvals, which significantly simplifies and speeds up the project promoting process. The Kyrgyz Republic is open to new opportunities and ready to develop international cooperation through public-private partnership projects. We invite you to become part of this dynamic process and build the future with us by creating modern and effective projects to improve people's lives. Find out more about current and future projects on our official website and join the successful initiatives that are already changing the face of Kyrgyzstan.